Welcome to EduLab. Today we are going to start a new chapter for class 7th NCERT, the chapter number 2 inside our earth. So we all know what is there on earth. There are many things on earth. Whatever you see around yourself is surrounding that is on earth, but we don't know what is there inside our earth. There are many things inside our earth. We are going to study few things today. So we all have seen a onion, how onion looks when you just peel it. So उसको खाली उसकी स्किन निकाल के देखो, then how you see. Just take example of onion and just relate the earth with it. So अगर onion को cut करोगे from the middle, what you can see, the lines, there will be many layers. Same way earth also has many layers when you see inside it. The first layer is the crust. The basic layer on which we walk is the first layer, which is known as crust. The second layer is known as mantle. The third layer is known as outer core, and finally the fourth layer is known as the core, which is deep inside the earth, at the middle of the earth. So we are going to discuss the core first. We are going to discuss the crust first, which is the very basic layer, which we all are familiar with. This layer on which we walk is the crust, and let's discuss about the crust. Crust. What is crust? We have discussed it is the first layer on which we all walk. Now क्रस्ट इंक्लूड्स माउंटेन, प्लेन एंड प्लेटो. अब जो क्रस्ट होता है उस पर माउंटेन भी होते हैं, प्लेन्स भी होते हैं ऑन विच वी लिव, एंड प्लेटोज भी होते हैं. देन व्हाट कम्स इज कॉन्टिनेंट. नाउ जो क्रस्ट का एरिया है उसमें कॉन्टिनेंट में कितने डीप इनसाइड किलोमीटर्स कॉन्टिनेंट रहेगा. दैट इज 35 किलोमीटर्स डीप इनसाइड इफ यू गो. देन फ्रॉम लैंड, फ्रॉम plateau or from mountain, if you go 35 kilometer deep inside, then till 35 kilometer there the full layer of 35 kilometer will be known as crust only. If you go deep inside, not you go further, if you go deep inside till 35 kilometer, what will be there? Crust only will be there. Then what we get from crust? We get from continental area, from continents we get silica and aluminium. We can term it as SiAl. From this 35 kilometer we get silica as well as we get aluminium. When we talk about oceanic is 5 kilometers. This 5 kilometers, why? Because जो लैंड लेयर होता है एंड जो ओशन लेयर होता है, दैट डिफरेंस इज़ वेरी वास्ट. जो लैंड होती है एंड जो ओशन होता है, ओशन इज़ डीप इनसाइड, और जो ओशन का जो सरफेस होता है उससे नीचे द लैंड ऑन बिसाइड इनसाइड द ओशन, उसके नीचे का जो लेयर होता है सैंड का, फ्रॉम देयर 5 किलोमीटर्स डीप इनसाइड the two elements we get, the first one is silica and the second one is magnesium. We can term it as Si and Ma. So we have crust, the upper layer of the crust and the lower layer of the crust. Between the upper layer of the crust and lower layer of crust, there lies a discontinuity, there lies a boundary, we can say. This boundary is named as chondrite surface. So we can take an example of a book, the upper part of the book and the lower part of the book. So the pages can be termed as a boundary and we can name it as chondrite. So this was all about the crust. When we move on, the next layer we are going to talk about is mantle. So the first one is crust, the second one is mantle. So between crust and mantle there also lies a discontinuity, and this discontinuity is named as moho. The figure that you can see, it looks like a jigsaw puzzle, and this moho discontinuity is thinnest amongst the all. This moho discontinuity सबसे पतली होती है from all the discontinuities, even from the chondrite. So when we talk about chondrite again, chondrite is discontinuity of the crust only, above and the lower layer of crust, whereas this moho is discontinuity of crust and mantle, which are two separate things, the first layer and second layer. Between the first layer and second layer this moho lies, whereas we talk about chondrite again, this lies for the crust alone, the first layer and the second layer. The next thing that we are going to talk is about crust, how crust is divided. Crust is divided into two different groups that we have already discussed. Let's discuss it again. The continent and ocean. The continent has silica and aluminum. What we get from continents, the 35 kilometer deep inside the earth, the continent, the mountains, plateaus and the plains, we get silica and aluminum. Whereas the ocean, the 5 kilometer deep inside the ocean, we get silica and magnesium. So this all was about the crust. Then we will talk about mantle. The second layer, mantle. This mantle is divided into two parts, again the upper one and the lower one. So let's take an example again of the book only, the upper part and the lower part. The pages which lies between the upper part and the lower part, we term it as depth boundary. You can take example of anything which you want, but for a better understanding I have taken this example. So this mantle is layer between core and mantle. So what happens, layer between core and mantle, 2900 kilometer thick. This whole second layer is 2900 kilometer thick, and this 2009 kilometer thick layer has 85% of its volume, 85% of its volume, that is its size, and 64% is mass, that is its weight is 64%. And this whole layer, the mantle, is made up of iron but mainly of silicates. So the main thing over here is silica, silicates and of iron also. So this layer is very viscous, which means very sticky and very weak and ductile. So what do you mean by ductile? We have studied in our science that what is ductile, that if you want to break anything, कोई भी चीज़ को तोड़ना है without losing its toughness, so thin sheets बनाने हैं. Thin sheets में से if I want to convert that thin sheet into a wire, then also I can convert. So this thing is known as ductile or the ductility. Then comes just below lithosphere. Lithosphere is the first layer on which we walk. So this mantle lies just below the lithosphere, and this mantle is the main source of magma. जो भी volcanic eruption होता है उसमें से जो magma बाहर आता है, the red color very hot substance comes out of the volcanic eruption. So this red color substance is known as magma, and where this magma is stored in mantle, that is the second layer of our earth. And between mantle, the second layer, and between the core, the third layer, there also lies a discontinuity. This discontinuity is known as Gutenberg discontinuity, and this mantle has two different types, the upper and the lower. The upper mantle has liquid in state. Upper mantle जो है वो है liquid in state, and इसका जो atmosphere है is very ductile and weak. And the another name for this mantle, the upper mantle, the upper layer, can be named as asthenosphere. And what happens over here, जो currents होते हैं, जो प्लेट्स होती है उसमें जो करंट्स फ्लो होते हैं, कन्वेक्शन करंट्स, दिस करंट्स हमको यहाँ पे मिलते हैं इन द फर्स्ट लेयर, इन द अपर लेयर ऑफ मेंटल. सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट द अपर लेयर. देन वी कम टू द लोअर लेवल, लोअर मेंटल. वी हैव सॉलिड, दिस upper layer was liquid, whereas we go inside the lower level, the lower mantle will be solid in state. So this was all about the mantle. The next thing that we will be studying is about the core, the final destination. Core, the upper core and the lower core again. So between the upper core and the lower core, there also lies a discontinuity. This discontinuity is named as Lehman discontinuity. And when we talk about the upper core, what is there on the upper core? How this upper core is? Liquid is the main cause. So in upper core, what lies is the liquid, and the liquid looks like a gel-like substance, and this liquid is the main cause of magnetic field. The magnetism that we have on our earth, the magnetic field that we have on our earth is because of this liquid. The gel like substance which is there inside our core and specifically on the upper core. When we talk about the lower core, so this lower core has 3500 kilometer radius, and what is found inside the lower core is NiFe, that is nickel and ferrous. Ferrous we can say it iron also. So NiFe, nickel and iron are found in this lower core, and this lower core has a very high temperature and pressure. So iron and nickel are found over here, and 15% of earth's volume, the earth volume जो भी पूरा है उसमें से 15% तो ये लोअर कोर का ही है पूरा, एंड द मास, द वेट इज अराउंड 32.5 किलोमीटर. एंड outer core, this outer core when we talk about what happens, moving, जो पूरा मूव करता है outer core में liquid, the gel like substance which continuously moves, and this moving substance causes earth's magnetic field that helps us to sustain the life, and pressure, density, this all things decreases when you go towards the center of this whole core. Then the pressure and density will increase as you go towards the center. So this was all about core, and here we end this video. The next topic that we will be covering will be about rocks. So what are rocks and how they are formed exactly? The three type of rock: igneous rock, metamorphic rock and sedimentary rocks. How these rocks are formed and how the rock cycle takes place, and also about the minerals. This all things we will cover in our part 2. So if you like the video, hit a like button. Do subscribe us for upcoming updates. Thank you. Have a good day.